installing Beyond the Structure with the 3 sections. And it is possible, if your gallery isn't 9 feet tall, to have it just be 2 sections, but for now we'll show you the 3 sections. So we have each of the 3 sections here, plus the container of crosses. And we'll start out with the base that does have the power cord attached to it. So if you could have 2 people grab it by the back of it and tilt it up on its side here. Just keep it a little bit away from the wall for the moment. So what I'm doing here on the back end is I'm going to go ahead and actually plug this into the wall. Preferably this wall outlet would be covered by the installation here, so you don't see any of that cord behind. We will also show you that we do have a eyelet hook here attached to the back of this base, and that will connect to this screw on the wall just wrapped around it. We'll be doing that just to have a little provided extra safety of keeping it attached to the wall. So we'll scooch this back here to the wall.
Make sure the cord doesn't hang out from the bottom. Okay. And so you're just going to take the remaining wire and do your best to kind of just get a few wraps on the screw, or if you have an eye hook, that would work too. But basically this just keeps that from pulling off against the wall.
All right, so then we'll pull out the middle section here, which is the smaller of the 3 sections. Sure.
Before we do that, we're going to, so these aluminum rods are going to be used to align and lock in the pieces. So we've got some tubing, and those will bottom out. And then we're going to have, there's some tube right here as well. So have 2 people kind of align each side, and it should kind of drop down. But before you drop it all the way down, there's some connectors that gives power to the upper sections, so you have to connect those before you drop it all the way down.
And it doesn't matter which one connects with which.
Okay. And there's 2 more rods to go into tubes for the top. And so for the 3rd section, you're going to want a ladder. So it's best to pretty much center your ladder, and then kind of one person will go up the ladder, but it can help if you have a helper. But so you're going to take this again and hold it by the back, not the red.
Not the surface.
Yeah. Once you're up here, have the person on the bottom kind of help you and align those tubes.
You're good. Right there.
Kind of get it half on.
And, oh, a little forward, please. A little bit more. Good.
And again, connect that connector
A little bit more down.
before you drop it all the way down. Should be, if your floor is flat, it should be freestanding. And then the final component.
A couple more things here, actually. So this is where the container of crosses, just disperse them throughout the base of the cross irregularly. I'm not going to fully demo that right now, but that would be where kind of, we'll take a photo at the end so you can see how it's all dispersed fully. And then over here on the right-hand side, at the very bottom, there is a switch, which when the gallery is open, you can have that switch on. That does engage all 3 sections of the lights so that they are synced together to change the color of the lights. And that's the installation of Beyond the Structure.